Doctors Without Borders opens new humanitarian refugee camp in France. The first refugee camp to meet international humanitarian standards has just been built in France, and the government is not happy. The French government was against the building of the new site, as it goes against their plan to move migrants away from the coast and into centers around the country. More than 1,000 refugees have been living in a camp in Grand-Synthe in France, nicknamed the Jungle for its poor conditions. Among them are 60 women and 74 children. Medical charity Doctors Without Borders, or MSF, opened a new humanitarian camp just a few kilometers away on Monday. The new camp contains 4-person wooden shelters that have access to proper lavatories, heating, a common kitchen, and public lighting. About 150 people have already moved from the Grand-Synthe jungle to the new site, which can house up to 2,500 people. MSF shouldered 2.6 million of the 3.1 million euros needed to build the camp and has so far completed 200 of the 375 planned cabins.